After creating the menu, now let's move to the package and start creating the fragments. So I will create a new fragment by creating new, selecting the fragment, select fragment blank. I will name the first fragment as home fragment, source language Kotlin, click finish. Here we go. We can remove all of these stuff, these methods. You can see the onCreate method. We can remove it, and I will keep the onCreate view. You can see that we are inflating. We're going to display the fragment home, and this is our fragment home. Okay, this is our fragment. I will select phone, our virtual device, which is the AVD Nexus 6. Okay, this is the fragment. I will go to the split mode. I will use here the word home fragment. Okay, the size would be 32 SP, and the color here would be, the background color would be this hex code. Okay, the text color would be white. This is the home fragment. I will create a new fragment, blank fragment, and I will name it as login fragment. Also, I will remove the onCreate method and these stuff. And I will go to the login, go to the split mode, remove this text and say login fragment. Okay, and the background will be this hex code. The size would be 32 SP and the color would be white. Okay, I will create the third fragment. It's named as message fragment. Click finish. You can keep these codes, but I prefer removing them. So the text will be messages fragment. Here I will use the background, this hex code, and the size would be 32 SP and the color would be white. This is good. Now I will create the last fragment for us, which is the settings fragment. So settings fragment, Kotlin, and click finish. We go to fragment settings. We will change this text to settings fragment. The size would be 32 SP and the color would be white. And here the background of this fragment would be the green hex code. Okay, this is the settings fragment. So we've created our fragments, so I will close them all and now open the main activity and here we will start making the codes and writing the codes to make the transaction between the fragments.